how to log in to EA account. So if you want to log into your EA account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for EA account login. Once you've searched, you can go for the first search, which will take you to the home page. And now you can go for the upper right, which has that profile icon. And here you can choose the left option, which is sign in. Once you choose sign in, now you can sign into your EA account with all of these options that are present here, or you can also enter your email address or your phone number. So I'll be choosing email or phone number, and then you need to enter your password. And once you enter your password in your email, you can click on sign in. But if you forgot your password, or if you want to create a new account, then you can go for forgot your password or create account. But if you already have an account and if you want to sign in, then enter your information, click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, it will sign you into your account. So that's it. That's how you sign into your EA account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.